Today I am creating a new Facebook group, and what I will need is to generate an illustration picture, and to do so I will use artificial intelligence. So my channel is called Digital Growth Hub, and actually I came up with this name using ChatGPT. So I asked ChatGPT for possible titles for my group based on what I wanted to do, and to give a score for each name it came up with, and the best one is the most simple one. Now I will tell ChatGPT that I chose the first option, and I will ask to write a prompt to generate a thumbnail to illustrate my group, and I will use this prompt to generate thumbnail using TextBuilder.ai, which is okay. So actually, I wanted just to write the prompt for the picture, and it starts to generate the picture. So we will compare the two pictures. I need a rectangle picture, not a square, not a vertical picture. So let's see what ChatGPT will come up with. Meanwhile, let's open TextBuilder.ai, and here in TextBuilder.ai, I will log in and show you, okay, how to simply generate amazing pictures using various. Uh, so as you can see, ChatGPT generates nothing. So let's start again. I just want the text prompt, not the picture, because nothing is being generated in ChatGPT, and it is stuck. You see, it's supposed to be generated a picture. It's doing nothing. So, okay, let's stop creating the image, and now just, okay, and now I cannot do anything with ChatGPT, which shows how bad a tool it is. So what I will do is go back to my uh, textbuilder.ai, and here I can simply uh, go to AI writer, go to go to my AI image generator, and here all I have to do is to enter the prompt, and I can choose between various picture generators. So I want to take the description that ChatGPT gave me, and I did it in 2 steps, and I will just put everything that ChatGPT gave me about the name I finally selected, and I will tell him that I want a futuristic and realistic looking thumbnail for my social media group. Here we go. Now I want it to be wide. I think the correct format is better 21:9, and I will use my favorite image generation prompt, which is ideogram v2 turbo. Now just start generating image, and let's see what it will give us. So as we just saw before, ChatGPT gave us nothing. It's actually just thinking and doing nothing. And here we go. So we have uh, one uh, one result. It's maybe not so good, so maybe I want a better one. Connects well with my. So we have to tweak the prompt if we want to get something better. So let's make it more simple. Futuristic and realistic looking thumbnail for my social media group. Short, simple, incorporates digital, an important keyword. So here we go. Okay, so here we have something, but I maybe want it to be more visual. Um, uh, uh, so we can add a keyword, for example, money and growth. And let's see what it creates now. So every time I use this prompt, it uses 750 credits. You can see I have a lot of credits, so it's pretty simple. Here is a picture that I saw in many places. Actually, that's pretty good. Um, right. the word digital growth. I want it to be, so this is maybe visual enough. This is good, but I want another option. So I'm not satisfied with the current result. Oh, no, this is much better. This is kind of the thing that I'm looking for. It looks futuristic, a little realistic. It shows the growth. It shows the digital part. So this is good. Now all I have to do is to download this picture. And now that I am creating my Facebook group, I make it public and I create my group, the Digital Growth Hub. Link is in the description to join and see a lot of different things, such as websites for sales with a good return on investment, uh, IT developers available, business courses, everything to grow to grow digitally. And now I can upload a picture. So I choose a picture I just generated with TextBuilder.ai. And here we go. I can reposition it a little to be more so we don't cut this kind of buildings. And here we go. Save changes. And that's done. My Facebook group is created with an AI generated picture, which is pretty good and much better than what I would have generated with ChatGPT. So links are in the description. Join my Facebook group and let's talk about how to grow digitally together.